guys, how are things? Just going to show you today how to make the spear end of a fish spear. So it's a shortened down version just for demonstration purposes, but first thing I do, I get a bit of string, paracord, this is bank line, and tie it on tightly here about 6-7 inches down along the line. We're going to batten down through this. The purpose of this is to stop the stick of splitting further down than you want, which is a problem a lot of people get when they're doing this. So firstly, we half it, okay? Get a bit of a stick to batten down. And you can see that's starting to split already. Now, if I didn't have my string down here, when I get to here, it's going to continue on, you see? Reassemble it here and half it again, okay? And down we go. Okay. So that effectively is as much battening as we're going to do. What we need then is 2 cross sticks to put into it, so we have 2 pieces. We've a bit here. I'm just going to split this in half. Okay, and then the other one goes across this way. So now what we do, we sharpen up our points, okay? When you're picking a stick for this, you want to try and get a piece of fairly knotless straight branch, so that it'll facilitate when you're battening down to quarter it. Okay guys, I'm just going to finish this up here and I'll come back to you in a minute, okay? Now, so that's it, all our prongs here are sharpened up now. What you can do, if your dividers here are too long, you can just kind of beaver chew them a little bit. Okay, so we've got a pretty decent spread on those prongs now for spear fishing. The key with this, or at least in my opinion, is when you're spear fishing, when you spear the fish, you've now pinned it to the bed of the river or whatever. You don't bring the spear back up to retrieve the fish. You leave it pinned there to the bed of the river. Bring your hand down and catch the fish through the gill before you bring it out of the water. Okay? So that's it guys, hope this helps and I'll see you soon. Take care.